How to create Regions Bank online banking account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can create Regions Bank online banking account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your preferred browser and in the search bar, type in Regions Bank. From the search results, head over to the first link that's going to take you to the official website. Now, in order to create account, navigate to your right hand side. There is this option or this section that says login into online banking. If you already have an account, you can simply log in by clicking on this login button. But to create an account, you have to click on enroll in online banking. That's going to take you to this page. Here now you can enroll your account. So first of all, you have to enter your customer information. So there is a form right here. Here you have to enter your social security number. Make sure you type in your correct social security number. If you don't have a security number, click on I don't have a security number right here. Then that's going to ask you to enter your enrollment ID. So there you have to enter your enrollment ID. Once you are done, now you have to enter your email address. Make sure to type in your correct email address. After that, confirm it. Now enter your phone number also. Once you're done, you have to select the type of account that you want to enroll in Regions Bank online banking. So you can choose any one from here, then click on next. So on the next step, you have to provide your online banking details. So there, fill up all of the information as required. And once you are done with that, at the third step, you will land on confirmation. There you have to confirm your account, where you will have your ID, your password. That's going to help you log in into your account. So in this way, you can create a Regions Bank online banking account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.